You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make a video, suggest your own video here on YouTube. Stick to the end and you will not regret it. Before we begin, please make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell. Also, don't forget to comment and also like this video. One of the easiest way to grow on YouTube is for your video to be suggested by a great video, a video that is having views always. Now, if a video that is always having views is suggesting your video, there is probability that you will also have 40% of the views from that video. So this trick will always help your videos to have views. If you want a video to suggest your video, now all you need to do is click that video, watch that video to a certain point, go to the description box and look at how the video is described. Take some keywords, major keywords in the description box of that video and also include it in your own. That way that video is going to also suggest, because there are similarities. The algorithm always look for videos that are similar, and this one can suggest this other one. So if you want this video A to suggest your videos, then you need to also include certain things from that video A into your own video B, and that way is going to always suggest your videos when people are watching this video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your own niche, search for the big guys, look at one video that they just upload, and then look at how they describe that video. Should be related to your niche and your keyword. Now, when you find the video that is related to your niche and your that is in your niche and your keyword, you have some keywords that are in your channel, then you are good to go. Now, step number 2 is similar tags. Now, there are a lot of apps out there that you can just type the video title and you see all those videos that are uploaded on YouTube, and then you can go to their tags and find out what kind of tags, how they arrange their tags. So this is one of the best and easiest way to make a video suggest your video. When you have similar tags, that way it tells the algorithm that these two videos are similar. So somebody watching video A will probably love to watch video B. So similar tags is a very easy way to trigger the algorithm to suggest your video. So when you look for the big guys, those that are maybe 1 million, 2 million, 5 million views, they always have those kind of views. And now they upload a video similar, very close to the type of videos that you always upload, the kind of video that is a similar niche. Now you have to pick up that video, look at the tags the person used, and also copy those tags and put it in your own. Tip number 3 is similar title. If you click to watch a video, you find out that most videos have 3 titles. The first title, and then you see a subtitle, and then the last one. The easiest way is not to copy all the title. That way it will not suggest. Now, it's for you to take part of that title. Take part of the title. For instance, some videos you see the title like fast selling business ideas, and then the second part of it you see how to grow your business fast. Now, if you want that video to suggest your own video, either you take the fast selling business ideas or how to grow your business fast. Just choose the B part or the A part of the title of that video and let it be your own title. That way, I give you 90% assurance that that video A is going to suggest your video, and that way your channel is going to grow. In summary, the first tip is to get a similar description. The second step is similar tags, and then finally get a similar title from the video A, include it in your own title, and that video must suggest your own video. These are great secrets that I learned from YouTube, and I'm using it, and it's helping my channel to grow. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and click on that notification bell. Also like our video, comment, and let the interaction begin. If you have any idea to share with us and to share with others, please do comment and let others learn.